Hare Krishna, welcome to Satvik Lifestyle. Today we will see Indo-Chinese red cabbage noodle soup. For this I kept a kadai, cut vegetables and cooked along with water and noodles. On the other side I kept a kadai, added all the spices in oil, fry it a little bit and then put 2 cups of wheat flour, cook it thoroughly and then added 4 cups of water, mix it thoroughly, let it boil, added 1 spoon of chili sauce, 2 spoons of soy sauce, mix it together and then added this cooked vegetables in this mixture and stir it for 5 minutes and then transfer it into the container after you get it into the consistency to eat. Once it is transferred into the container, you can add the murmura, whatever you like. In this case I have added jowardani. You can add bread croutons or whatever you like and then offer it to Krishna. Enjoy with your loved ones. Thank you for watching. Hare Krishna.